May mga kandidata na maingay at may mga kandidata na tahimik lang pero delikado. Meet Jen Rose Gomez Javier, ang Miss Universe Philippines Sultan Kudarat, a proud Pakistani Filipino beauty. Sultan Kudarat brings a unique global identity to the Miss Universe Philippines stage. Iba naman ang appeal niya, mga be. Soft features with calm presence, pero ramdam mo ang kanyang confidence. She's currently a third-year tourism student at University of Mindanao, kaya exposed siya sa culture, diversity at communication. Ito yung mga skills na mahalaga sa isang future queen. At hindi siya basta sumabak lang. She was crowned Miss Isolan 2023 at top 10 finalist sa Hiyas ng Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, she knows the pressure and she knows the grind. Ito yung nakikita kong branding niya. Soft face with strong presence. Hindi siya maingay, pero kapag rumampa, may authority, may control, at silent intensity. Isa pang napapansin ko sa kanya, she's very composed, polished, at intentional. Yung tipong hindi niya kailangang mag-ingay ng sobra-sobra para mapansin, because when she steps on stage, she owns her space. By just looking at her, she's not chasing the spotlight. She's preparing for the crown. Mga be, tell me, magiging malakas din ba ang laban niya gaya ng pinakitang performance ni Chelsea Fernandez? Isa ba siya sa pinakamalalakas na contenders natin this year? What are your thoughts about this? Don't forget to leave your comments and opinions below. Tara, pag-usapan natin. And thank you so much for watching this video. Follow me for more. Bye!